Este es un nuevo video de GTA V. Y bueno, partimos con Franklin de nuevo, pero tenemos que irnos donde Michael. Tenemos que irnos con Michael, ya que en el capítulo anterior terminamos... no sé si lo alcancé a subir o... Bueno, después lo reviso, pero la última parte fue cuando golpeamos a Simeón bueno, Michael golpeó a Simeón y bueno, ahí teníamos que ir a la casa, que ahora mismo vamos a ir allá, que está justo aquí. Es un viaje largo, así que bueno, ahora estoy empezando a usar el cronómetro para poder ver cuánto dura el video y para asegurarme de que no dure tanto y no pueda subirlo más tarde. Y bueno, si no lo puedo subir, trataré de subir de nuevo ese video creando otra partida, qué sé yo. La idea es que no se queden con las ganas de ver un capítulo, cosas así, ¿no? Bueno, ahora nos vamos a la casa de Michael, rápido para que no sea tan pesado. Lo bueno de este GTA es que uno a veces puede ver un taxi para el auto y para no demorarse tanto toma el taxi y no se demora nada. Entonces si nos encontramos con un taxi... ¡Oh! Eso se pueden asaltar. Bueno, tenemos suerte. Nos bajamos, tomamos el taxi. Tomamos el taxi y nos vamos a la casa. ¿Sí? Omitir, para que no se haga largo el video. Ah, bueno, sobre la nueva esperen que a veces se me olvida sobre Dead Island. Espero que les guste porque a mí me está gustando mucho. Y bueno, hoy día mismo se está subiendo el video. Pelea entre mamá e hija. ¿Quién no querría estar así? Viene a tomar esa copa.
Just a repossession. Call it whatever you want to call it. I really don't care. What can I do for you?
Shit, I just came by to see if there's something I can help you with. I see.
Bueno.
Let's take Amanda's car. Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink.
Dad, shit. I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money. They don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! Alright, I'm coming. For my boat! Alrighty then. Change of plans. My darling boy is in trouble.
Hey, I'll help you out.
Ok, ve a Pacific Bluffs.
Lesson number 1. Don't ever have kids.
Hey, man, look. If I had kids, I don't think no parenting issues would arise over who had boat privileges and who don't. Shit, motherfuckers would be lucky to sit in a bathtub.
Shit, things that desperate, huh?
Nah, but, you know, shit, I was making a point.
Pathologizing self-deprecation. I know it well.
Yeah, man, but shit, where the boat at?
Little shit's been hijacked. They're somewhere on the Western Highway.
Man, ain't you worried?
About my boat? Yeah, I am.
But you can always buy another boat.
Yeah, tell my accountant that.
Man, you can always get credit for one.
But have you come repo it? No, thank you. Oh, there it is.
That's bullshit.
That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah,
Se
well,
llevan
we'll
el
catch
barco.
'em.
Vamos. Acerca a Franklin al yate. Ok.
We got a plan?
Sure. Once I get us up close, you're the boarding party.
Well, follow the traffic point.
You'll be fine. If anything happens, I got a piece in the glove box. I'll cover it.
Oh yeah, man, fine. Just fucking fine. So you thought oh, fuck this.
Too close.
Wow. Wow.
Kid, come on, kid.
No, lo voy a perder.
Motherfucker!
Allá voy, Franklin. Allá voy, mi barco. El yate. No.
Jesus!
Oh,
Get rid of his ass! Oh, easy with those tricks.
vamos, 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 vamos.
You're pirates, you know that? Get the jump on him, Frank. He's a useless little shit. But he's my useless little shit.
Hey, shoot this motherfucker! Hey! Shoot this motherfucker!
What the fuck?
Ok. Vamos. Persigue el yate, vamos. Pero si lo estoy chocando.
Ah, this is gonna kill me.
Dad? Wait! You're the guy from the dealership!
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro.
Jimmy!
Oh my god.
Fuck! Hold on!
Dad! Help! 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 Dad needs help! I'm not letting go until you hold
Vamos, 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 vamos.
I'll get under you as soon as I can.
Kid!
Don't you
I
let
know.
go of that thing.
We're gonna catch the sun.
I can't do this anymore!
The fuck is wrong?
Ok, ok.
Dad!
Don't tag me, you little shit! You better hope she's still seaworthy! Fuck, kid. Ah, yeah. Shit, shit, shit.
Hey, closer, man, closer. Hey, get me off this damn thing.
Vamos, 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 vamos.
All fucking board? Let's stop this ship from sailing.
You think your
Kill it.
therapist knows why
Kill
you're
it.
fixating on this
El auto.
ball so much? Ooh, now that doesn't sound good.
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Hold it together. Ah, my fucking boat.
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son.
Hey, it's a chop shop back here, dog. You drive us there, we can get the ride fixed.
Vaya. Qué porquería de auto.
My boat.
It's just a thing.
My boat.
Please stop doing that. Listen, I fucked up, okay? I'm not going to lie. That was a really bad judgment call. But Shit, Dad, I nearly died, and all you give a shit about is this fucking boat. No.
Lo único malo del GTA es que es mucho viaje y bueno, eso
It's all your fucking fault.
hace a veces cansadores los videos
I just want to impress you.
By selling my
y
book
todo
to
eso.
some gangbangers?
I know it sounds dumb when you put it like that, but all you do is daydream or get angry.
Look, I love you, Jimmy, but you're an asshole. And right now, with my boat disappearing over the horizon, that's all I can see. Frank, would you do me a favor and give this kid a ride home after they fix this thing? I want to headbutt the road in peace.
Oh, great. Leave me with the home invader.
I'll get it done, dog. No problem.
Dad?
All right, enough. Hey, Franklin, can you call me a cab?
Sure thing, man. This the exit, bro. Hey, I need a cab as soon as you can send one. You Craig, Los Santos Customs, by the airport. All right, thanks.
Thanks, man.
Hey, so you do much yachting?
Not anymore. No, I don't.
Before, I mean, man.
No, not really. This little shit stays in his room all day, and I don't have any other people to go with, you know? I like looking at it.
Looking.
Yeah, you know, I come down to the marina, sit on the dock, pour myself a drink, and look at her. Jacqueline. It'd clear my head, you know, let me dream.
Jacqueline, huh? Well, maybe you need to do some other shit to fill your time. Dream other dreams, man.
Yeah, sure. Whatever.
Hey, this the place up here. I know this dude, man. His name Howard. He gonna look after me.
All right, take what's in my pocket, a couple $1,000. That'll cover it, right? So you sure you're good?
Yeah, I got this.
All right.
Ooh, I'm gonna come up front.
Get out and walk around.
It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this dude. It's all good, though, man. You go and get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. Appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey, sorry we didn't get your boat, man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie.
If our leaders aren't doing their homework or studying like they should, you're not living up to your full potential.
Ok, vamos a arreglar este auto. Se termina y como saben, cuando puedo subir video subo dos videos, obviamente de GTA V. Ok, lo dejaremos aquí y más tarde subiré otro video. Así que... ¡chao!